If Photoshop has started acting strangely, your tools look different, your panels are missing, or your settings just don't feel right, the fastest fix is often resetting Photoshop back to its default settings. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset Adobe Photoshop to default settings in just a few clicks, so you can get back to a clean, fresh workspace without wasting time troubleshooting one setting at a time. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Adobe Photoshop guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. If you're on Windows, go to the top menu and click Edit, then choose Preferences, and then click General. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and K to open the Preferences window much faster. Once the Preferences window appears, look on the right side for the button that says Reset Preferences on Quit. This is the option that tells Photoshop to clear out your current preferences the next time it closes. Go ahead and click that button. Photoshop will now show you a warning dialog asking if you're sure you want to reset your preferences. This is completely normal, because resetting preferences will restore Photoshop's default setup. Click OK to confirm. After that, close Photoshop completely and restart the program. As soon as Photoshop launches again, your default settings will be restored automatically. This can help fix strange behavior, layout issues, tool problems, or any custom settings that may be causing confusion. And that's it. You've successfully reset Adobe Photoshop to its default settings. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photoshop tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.